frosting, a container of Cool Whip, a wooden spoon, a mixer, cupcake wrappers, a ice cream scooper, tablespoon, regular spoons, extremes, an icing bag, a knife, a whisk, food coloring, a cup of water, and a cupcake tray.
Multiple if you want.
First, to make the cupcakes, you need to add the 2 bags of cupcake mix.
Speaking about cupcakes, did you know National Cupcake Day is on December 15th?
Next, you'll need 6 eggs. You set that up. Oh, that's what the holes are coming in. Then, you need to mix your ingredients until it looks like cake mix. Mixing, you should have a texture that looks sort of like this with almost no lumps. But if you're like us, you'll have it.
Now that you're done mixing, you have to take your ice cream scooper and divide the batter into the 2 medium holes. Separate our batter, it's time to dye it.
You use 2 different colored food colorings. You should pick whatever 2 you want, but in our case, we're using red and blue. So just put in a lot of food coloring. Now that we have our color, it's time to put our cupcake liners in the cupcake pans, like so.
Have our cupcake liners in, it's time to pour the batter.
This part is a little tricky because being that we're making rainbow cupcakes, we're using 2 color batters. So take whatever you'd like to use as a divider. We're using this. Put it in the middle of your cupcake wrapper or tin, whatever you like to call it, and start pouring in both colored batters on either side. Continue to pour until it's like halfway full.
Now that we've filled the cupcakes, it's time to put them in the oven.
Make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees. Now, place your cupcakes in the oven. Try not to burn yourself while doing it. Because it's hot. Now set the timer for 20 minutes.
Cupcakes are done. We let them cool for about 15 minutes, and now we're going to fill them with Cool Whip. Since we went with the rainbow theme, we decided to dye the Cool Whip yellow, but if you can dye whatever you want.
Okay, so in order to put the Cool Whip in your cupcakes, since they're already cooked, you have to make a hole. So you start by making a little circle in the middle with your knife, not too far, and don't cut all the way down because you still need some cake at the bottom so the Cool Whip doesn't goo out. Then you take your knife and you scoop out a little bit of the middle too, so that there's still cake on the inside. And you cut off the extra little chunk, put it in your bowl. If there's a little extra in there, you can just scoop it out until you get a good amount. And then you're gonna take your other knife and put the Cool Whip inside your little hole. Don't worry about being perfectly neat with this because it's gonna get covered with frosting and your rainbow anyway. And that will draw attention away from it. Then, when you're done putting the Cool Whip in, take the top part and put it back on top of your cupcake and just wipe away any extra Cool Whip.
Our cupcakes were Cool Whip, we decided to frost them. We dyed our frosting green to go with our theme, but that's optional. And if you do, the color's optional too.
Okay, so next we're gonna make the rainbow with our icing. You have to make a cloud and use the extremes to make the rainbow. Did you know that no 2 eyes can see the same rainbow, and you can never touch a rainbow because they're always 42 degrees opposite the sun. So you can never find the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. And look, there you have it.
Different color of food. Never mind, can we redo that? I don't care.
Tony, do you understand? Don't let it go too high. I don't think you do. Mom doesn't fit.
Turn it to the side, Amanda.
Turn it to the side, Amanda. For 20 minutes.
Should I stop?
So what you did that on the camera?
Action, redo it. Action.
Tony.
Wait. Are we still going?
Yeah.
We filled our cupcakes with Cool Whip. After we filled our cupcakes with Cool Whip, we decided to frost them. I don't know what to say.
You're like, doodle.